Hello guys, today I show you how to install Khmer Unicode. So you cannot change here, it's only English. So to install the Khmer Unicode, you have to download the file here. You can chat to me, I will send it to you. So when you download it, you just click open and double click or right click, open here. So here just yes, here next, just do waiting. Okay, it's done. So let's check. I will write in notepad. Let's see, notepad. Here's the notepad. So I wanna change this to see, it's working. Sorry. I can change this English. Save out. Khmer, Cambodia. Okay, well done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more video. Bye bye.